With a market capitalization of over $180 billion, Reliance Industries had broken into the 50 most valuable companies globally in July 2020. When you hear the name Reliance, you probably think of Ambani, Reliance Jio, or Reliance Digital. But little did anyone know that India's biggest business tycoon is the world's largest exporter of mangoes. Shocking, isn't it? The global market size for processed mango products was estimated at $17.5 billion in 2019 and is expected to reach $25.5 billion in 2025 with a CAGR of 6.4%. To understand how Reliance has its roots spread even in the global fruits industry, we need to travel back into 1997. Back in the day, Dhirubhai Ambani's Reliance Industry had major issues because of the huge amount of pollution that they were creating from their petroleum and refineries businesses. They were given several warnings from the Indian Pollution Control Board, and eventually they saw it as a major threat and acted upon the same immediately. Reliance began to convert the wastelands of Jamnagar into a mango orchard near the refineries as a way to control pollution. Fast forward to 2020, that orchard is now known as the Dhirubhai Ambani Lucky Bagh Amrai and is Asia's best mango orchard with more than 1.3 lakh plants with over 200 species. The mangoes produced in that orchard are of excellent quality and are widely exported at a global level. Reliance grows 127 varieties of mangoes in a 600-acre green belt at its Jamnagar refinery complex, and according to reports, they are even better than Israel and Brazil in terms of productivity. The supply chain of mangoes has various inbuilt constraints due to which there is uneven pricing spread across the chain. A difference of Rs 40 to 50,000 can be observed between the amount that the farmer receives and what the consumer pays. Reliance even encourages farmers to visit its orchards and learn from its innovative practices to help increase farmers' profitability. In fact, Reliance and Essar are largely producing Kesar, a medium-sized mango with red blush on the shoulders, and they are among the country's leading mango exporters and producers. Reliance Life Sciences is marketing mango pulp under the brand name Relure. The land, which was once accused to be one of the most polluted in the country, is now transformed into the lush green countryside, and Reliance has risen to glory yet once again.